Hi, so this is my dash cam and I actually removed it from my windshield. And before I show you the footage on how I removed it from my windshield, I want to do it in a environment that has better lighting. So you'll notice here I have the piece that goes on the windshield and I've removed it with all of the sticky stuff on here. And just pretend that this is right on the windshield. What I have here is, you guessed it, it is simply dental floss. So you could use dental floss, you could use fish wire. So what I have here is about a foot of dental floss. And what I basically do on the windshield is, have that foot of dental floss, I wrap it around, and I start sawing it. So I will go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and I will saw off the sticky part from the windshield. Now, once you do that, you still have the sticky part, so you'll notice I sawed it off and it's going to be uneven. So I have this piece here, and you'll notice I've rubbed off some corner parts. So this is true with the windshield as it is with the mount, is you kind of just rub it off. That's all you really do. You don't necessarily need any sort of adhesive removal or anything like that, though that may help. But I find just kind of like scraping it off will do, which is what I did in all of these areas, basically just using my fingernails. So now, having said that, let me go ahead and show you now what I did right on my windshield. And that I apologize for the bad lighting. It's just that every time you try to film something on a windshield with lighting coming in, it always ends up like just really poor lighting. So and I have to remove the sticky piece from the windshield. So let me go ahead, get started. So just slipping it right under, slip it right under. And now I'm simply using a back and forth motion, as you can see. And it's just sawing right through. Sawing right through. Right through. And if I go back and forth like that, longer motion. Now the other thing you can use is also fishing wire. So you can see it went right through. And now I've gotten this thing removed, the plastic piece, and I could clean this off here also. And that's really it. I hope this really helped, and thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe and support this channel.